What if your office coffee machine wasn't just brewing coffee, but low-key dropping hot gossip? You stumble in half awake, press the button, and it's like, so, guess who got caught reapplying for their own job during lunch break? Suddenly, your eyes are wide open, and your ears fully tuned in. Every drip is dripping with drama. Oh, and between us, someone's been microwaving fish again. Floor 3 is furious. You thought this was your daily caffeine fix? But nope, it's a full-blown reality show in a mug. It's got the latest on break room beef, relationship updates, who's pretending to work, and who's just really good at looking busy. Forget sugar or cream. This machine serves sass. So if your coffee machine ever starts hissing before it brews, it's not broken. It's just warming up the tea.